Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So I decided that I wanted to do something a little different today in this video. I wanted to do like an arts and crafts session, and I was already working on my project, and then I thought like, oh my gosh, I could just record this and put it out on our YouTube channel. So that's what I am going to do. So today I'm going to be doing a daily encouragement book DIY. So I'm actually glad that I got that right because the title of that is so long. So I went to the 99-cent store close to the military base and also went to the on-base store. So I got a few things and I was able to get things at a really good price except for one thing, and that was the notebook, because I wanted something that was like almost close to cardstock. Okay, so these were some of the items that I was able to pick up. So I'm going to start with these really cute heart stickers that I purchased at the 99-cent store. And then I also got these mini decor paper that people use to make origami. And these are actually what I'm going to be using to make envelopes. And these are just the cute designs that they have in the front. So that's really cool. So I got those for $1. And then I also got these on base, and I got these for about $3. So it wasn't bad, because usually gel pens are pretty expensive. And then this was the most expensive purchase that I've made out of all the things that I got, and this was $10. So it's a sketchbook with all these pages that I know I'll be using to glue my envelopes. So, and I got this big glue stick and scissors that I purchased for 79 cents on base, and a binder punch. So I have all my supplies here, and I'll go ahead and get started. Whoops, I'm sorry, I forgot to mention that I also got these index cards too, and this is what I'll be using to write encouragements and slide them into the envelopes. Okay, so here I have a sheet, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it in half. So every time that you fold your paper to make an envelope, you want to make the edges as sharp as you can. I've been using my nails for this, and that wasn't a great idea because I ended up messing up my nails. But I've been using this little glue cap to kind of sharpen it on the table, so I've just been pressing it on there. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making like a heart shape on this piece of paper, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start here. And then I'm going to start going in. And then as soon as you open it, you're gonna get a heart. So this should be the pattern when you're cutting. So believe it or not, this is actually what you'll be using to make your envelope. So it's really cool. So as you see, I have the design facing down. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be folding this part up. And I'm just going to press down, and like I said, I'm going to be using this glue cap to just sharpen up the edges because I can't use my nails, then I'll mess them up. And then what I'll be doing is I'll be getting the sides and folding them in. So I'm going to start with this side. And then the other side. And now I am going to be folding this sharp end to the bottom. And as you see, it's as if you're opening up an envelope. This is what my envelope looks like on my hand, which is fine because I'm going to be just putting small little encouragements in there. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be cutting this little triangle shape from both sides, because then it'll be easier for when Aaron like pulls out an encouragement from the envelope, that it'll be much easier to pull out. So I'm going to be cutting these little corners. Okay, and going on to the other side. You just pull them right off. And then now what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be gluing these sides and not these right here. So I'm going to be doing that. And if it gets on the other side, then that's totally fine. And then once I've done that, then I'm going to put these two together. So I'm going to be pressing down as hard as I can, and there goes your envelope. With any type of sticker that you're using, you can just pull one right off and put it on that corner, and there's your envelope right there. So I'm going to be doing this step one more time, and then you can just follow along. Okay, so as you can see, I have all my envelopes already set out, and I've made 2 months worth of envelopes, so that's really awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rip this off, and then I got this 3 punch holder so that I could use this for a binder instead. And so then what I'm going to be doing is I've already got my envelopes set out here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start gluing the back of these envelopes. So I'm going to put as much as I can for it to stick on for a very long time. And of course you're going to be having the envelope just pop up because the sticker won't hold it for long. So if that happens, it's okay. And I am now starting to learn that I need bigger stickers to kind of hold the envelope from opening. And this is a pretty neat idea if you want to do this for a friend or family member or your children. And then also what you can do is you can just set out a date on when you want them to open these. And yeah, this is what it looks like. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this project. And this is for just Aaron to take with him, and every day he has like a daily encouragement that he's able to open. You could use this DIY for a family member or your children or a friend. Basically anybody that you want to do this daily encouragement for. I think it's just a very sweet idea. And I actually got this inspiration from Pinterest. This is just a really great website to go through and get DIYs and like fashion inspiration. It basically has everything inspirational. And so when Aaron opens it, he'll be able to pull this little card that says, "Cling to what is good," Romans 12:9. You want to cut these index. Oh, that's also what I forgot to mention. Okay. Wow. Okay. I am so sorry. This video is all over the place. So basically what I did was I just cut the line that kind of takes over that extra space. So I just took that first line out. So you're going to be cutting twice, and that should leave you with 3 pieces. So you can go ahead and cut here and here. It should perfectly fit through these cute little envelopes. Once your loved one has opened the envelope and pulled them out, they will feel encouraged and soak up that encouragement all day. I would really recommend getting like a bigger sticker for your envelopes, just because these small little heart stickers, which are very cute, they've just been coming off and the envelopes are just popping up, and it's because these small stickers can't hold the envelope together. So if you guys want to get bigger stickers, that would be very good for your envelopes, and it would definitely keep your envelope from popping out. So with that being said, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys would like to subscribe, you can click down at the bottom and it will give you a notification every time that we publish a new video. So stay on the lookout, and we will see you guys later.